Byenan, Texas. Char, I'm back. Today is another day, and today is another vlog, and tomorrow is another day. Ano ba? Mahiya ka laring. You're so very noisy. People is here. Charot. So guys, I just woke up so very beautiful and energetic laring this morning. Thank God for that. And yeah, today it's Sunday. What time right now? Let me check. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and guess what? I have someone here, Brian's daughter, cooking us breakfast. Look at this. Dang, da, da, da. You're gonna be my vlog, Kissy. Yeah. She cooked all of this. Oh, Lord. That's a lot. That is fried egg, yeah. Scrambled egg. Scrambled. Yeah. With the bacon and that one. So, hiyan. So, the guys is outside, and I don't want to get up, guys, because it's so cold. Hi.
Oh, hi. Hoi. Hoi. Hoi.
Hoi. Are you going to shoot?
No.
Okay. Guys, we're going in a town. Just a little bit of moment. Charot. What kind of English they learning?
You got my wallet?
Yeah, I have it here. So, ayan. I am together with Papi. So, we're going there. How is my looks today, guys? Do I look something like a little bit beautiful? Char. a little bit. Why you not make it a lot? Why a little bit in dye? So, ayan, we're on moving. Pap, you want to try to find Filipino woman?
Yeah, I will whoop a Filipino. Yeah.
Hala? Hala? Hindi ko to alam ah.
Oh.
It's color in my tank, eh? Because I drink a sun kiss, that's why. Babe, when is Kala delivered her baby, babe?
I don't know.
Look at siya, guys. Pero maginaw talaga siya. It's a beautiful day today, though. Yeah. So guys, we just got back from the town, and yeah, Brian is living right now together with Fat and her girlfriend. Tama ba yung English ko? If that is it. If that is it. So ayan siya. So nagpabilin po ako dito, guys, kasi I need to clean all over the houses. Look at this one. So, ayan siya, guys. So, ito po yung dinner namin mamaya. So, pupunta ulit silang Casey dito. Dito kakain at saka maglilinis po ako, guys, kasi sobrang makalat siya dito. And then, that's the reason why I don't want to go with Brian, and I just asked him that I'm gonna stay and clean here. So, this is the money left that we had earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4 here, guys. It should be $80 earlier, but this is the left one. So that's why. So since hindi naman masyadong maginaw dito sa natin sa loob, warm kasi dito, so hubuin ko to. At yeah, I guess magsta-start na po tayo ng mag-cleaning, at ito nga po yung OTD ko for today. I'm gonna show you wait. So ito po, guys, is yung nabili namin ni Daddy Brian. You remember that we went for shopping, at ang dami talaga naming nabili. Hindi ko na siya pinakita sa inyo na each by each ba, kasi alam ko naman na makikita nyo to kapag isusuot ko talaga. So ngayon sinusuot ko na siya, so ini-explain ko sa inyo na ito siya. So ayan, so yung isa is with jacket. So yon, so ito yung pangalawa. So this is what I like, guys. At alam ni Brian na ito talaga yung paborito kong mga sinina. Ganon, yung mga small na kulang sa tila ba? Charot. So, ayan. So, hayan, since nobody is here and Daddy Brian is not here, and yeah, it's time for us to clean all over the mess in here. So, since Casey's cooking, so we are the one to clean here. So, hayan siya guys. Mag-clean na po tayo. Ito siya, this is the pork and this is the beef. Beef. Talaga na rin. Okay guys, I need to cook rice. Getting ready for tonight dinner kasi magpa-fried rice po ako kasi yun po yung gusto nila. Together with the steak and the pork. Ayan. Maglungag po tayo, advance. I think ano na ngayon? Alas 12 na ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Alexa, what time? Hala, di? 1:44. Mag-alas 2 na pala siya, guys. So, ayan na. So, mag-ready na tayo for mamaya. Ayan. Whew. Okay na po yung dinner area natin dyan. Ayan siya. Oh, limpyo na siya. So, mag-sit down muna ako dito. Wait lang. Where is the dog?
Just down the road.
Oh, that's him, Daddy. Ayan po siya guys, namatay ang dog ni Casey. So guys, naabot na siya yung in-order namin for our married license, kung saan namin siya ilalagay. Para siyang malaki. This coming from Amazon. Charot. Ang saba ng TV ni Daddy Brian ninyo kasi siya na nga. What is this, babe? What is this? Another thing is?
It's a picture frame. Frame.
How could you gonna open it? Babe.
Let me see there.
So guys, we are again at my mom's house and we are now cleaning while mama out there is eating. Right, mommy?
Right.
Yeah. I think the 14 days quarantine of mommy, it's finished, I think. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. So, mommy is totally fine and good and thank you for that. Babe? Are you done or are you done? Thank you, bro. Alright. We need to check mama's So, naayos ko na nga pala yung bed ni mami, guys. Nawala na yung air bed in here. Ito na siya. Okay na yan. So, ayan.
Music keeps me dancing.
Dito kami sa ano guys, Berkshire or brothers like that. We're gonna get something in here for tonight dinner, and we don't know what is it. And after that, we're gonna get a salsa. My favorite thing is. Let's go. Ooh, it's cold. Cold pala dito guys. So ayan si Daddy Brian ninyo. So let's see what's in here. Meron pala akong kamuti doon sa bahay. Kailangan ko yung lungagin. So ayan po, sweet potatoes. Potatoes. Maybe I could get a tomatoes. But we're gonna look for here. Oh Lord, it's so cold in here guys, promise. Maybe we could get that one. Whatever. What is that? You see that? I don't know what's that. Babe, do you know what is this, babe? Look at that. Do you know? They don't have sprouts here.
Yeah, mangoes.
No, I don't like their mangoes. Get this one, guys. This is too cool. I'm gonna get two. My favorite, guys, Paragos. Hi, guys. Actually, mag 1 o'clock na in the evening right now. So, kababalik lang namin galing sa bahay ni mother-in-law. And now, we're going to take her really to the hospital. So, we're on changing our clothes so that we can go there. Kasi si mommy is acting weird. And we don't understand what her feeling right now. Then I don't know for a moment, so I'm just giving you an update about my mommies. So yun guys, so see you later kasi Brian is on there like getting ready. Yung time o tingnan niyo 1 o'clock in the morning here. So ayan, I'm thirsty and I'm sleepy. I'm gonna get some drinks in here. Si mami kasi guys, nung pumuntahan namin siya, para siyang nag-attack yung ano niya, yung anger niya. Tapos, ayun, tinawagan namin si Jimmy para makapunta doon. And then we just staying there for an hour. Then she's still a little bit okay, but still there, like she's looking at the ceiling, telling I'll be in a minute, like just wait for me, ganon. Parang iba talaga. So ayun, parang nataranta na din kami. So ayun, Jimmy decided that really we need to bring mommies into the hospital. So that's why Brian is getting ready right now. Just give me my bag, my backpack please. And then my slipper. The silver one.
Yeah. Huh?
Hey, I went on ahead and called 911 to get an ambulance. Lisa thinks that she may have had a stroke. Lisa says she's had a stroke.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll be over there in just a second.
Alright.
All right, bye.
You just call 911.
Uh-huh.
Sige guys.
Like this here.
What is it?
24.
That's good.
No, that's low. It was 222 a while ago. Now it's 24. She
Also,
bottomed out.
bottomed out.
Yeah.
It ain't never did that before.
When she went to the ER with COVID, it was
It did.
38. It's never ever done that before. She had COVID.
That's weird. Her blood sugar was 24.
24.
It was just 260.
260 earlier. Yeah?
Causes her sweat too.
Oh yeah, that's right. As soon as I walked in,